so many people still working from home, working in their living room. I remember those 8 weeks. That was interesting, right? It's probably not going anywhere anytime soon, and it's time to spice up that space a little bit. So I spoke with Nerds on Call about some tech gadgets that can make your home office more enjoyable. Let's talk about how we can make that space a little bit more enjoyable.
Yes, absolutely. You know, the biggest thing is I don't think any of us really were prepared for how long we would be at home. So a lot of us just made these little makeshift spaces, right? Like, nook in your kitchen or, your kid's desk space that he wasn't using. And if it's been a year and you're still working from home, just go ahead and commit to the pros and cons there. Pros being that you can make it as comfortable as much as you want. So as long as you present from the waist up really nicely in your Zoom call, you can have some nice homey elements. So something like maybe a diffuser where you can choose your fragrances, something that's energetic if you need a little bit of energy and pep to get ready for your workday, or relaxing if it's later on in the day. You can use candles so long as you don't set anything on fire. So, just keep that little PSA there. I really like the texture of something like a really fuzzy rug that you can put under your toes and just kind of really just enjoy the fact that you can work from home, so make it more homey for you while you get your work done. The other thing that is really beneficial in your work environment is plants. But if you're like me and plants just come to your house to die, a slow but withering death.
Let me just take you home so you can die. That's what I tell them.
That's exactly what they do. And it's a little morbid at this point. So what I really love, actually, Click and Grow is a hydroponic system. So it's meant to be just like a desktop or a tabletop plant growing system. This is a light, and so it's automated. You plug it in, the light turns on for 16 hours, turns off automatically for 8. You fill it up with water, and you can grow things without killing them, which is amazing.
Oh my goodness.
The Smart Garden 3, this is $100. I really like this one, though, because of its size. It's really small, so you can fit it even if you don't have a lot of space and still get some greenery in your workspace. You can grow herbs, which is really kind of a fun little addition for your lunch, maybe. You can have some little baby cherry tomatoes, or I've got some mint here and some basil, cilantro. So you can kind of get a best of both worlds. Or they do flowers as well. They give you little pods, and you can replace the pods. They've got a bajillion variety, and they actually have a sprout guarantee. So if you buy the pods and it doesn't sprout, they'll send you new ones. So it's like, wow, you can actually grow even when you can't. Like
yes, green thumb. I love it. And you guys have so many ideas. Now we have about a minute left, so let's run through some of the important ones.
So the other thing is just making sure that you can create your own audio environment. So noise canceling headphones of some sort. So Apple AirPods Pro is a really great option because they have noise canceling and they're really small, which I like. So they're not very obtrusive, but they're kind of pricey. They're about $250. So you can go with the regular AirPods, but they don't have the noise canceling, so it's not going to tune out your kids screaming to their teacher on Zoom. So keep that in mind. But you can also do an over-the-head style. These I find are a little big, the can styles, but the benefit, Ryan uses them all the time, and you can tell that he is tuning you out. So that's kind of a nice little side feature. And we also really, really love these Aura frames. Having pictures on your desk is awesome, but a lot of us go to social media for those images, and then we get distracted from where we really want to be, which is doing work, right? And so Aura lets you upload photos directly from your phone wirelessly. You can connect with your friends and family, and they can send pictures directly to your frame. And it automatically updates, and then you get to have yourself surrounded by happy thoughts and happy images at your work from home environment.
I think that is great. Nerds on Call, Andrea, Ryan, you guys have beautiful ideas to create that space just a little bit more inviting. Might as well take advantage of it while we're stuck at home. Thank you both for your time today. Great products. Those are fun. Thank you.